We all have our favorites, and this is mine. A 2003 Harley-Davidson FLH TCU. It's an ultra classic Electra Glide 100-year anniversary edition. Colors are silver and black with that really nice looking gold pinstripe, as well as the logo treatment, only available on the 100-year anniversary models. Bike's in great shape. Almost forgot to check the miles. Under 55,000. Bike is priced under $10,000, which is amazing. You can ride around on a beautiful machine like this for under $10,000. Obviously very well taken care of. And then Jamie in our detail department got her hands on it and made it look like this. Bike is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.